Are the materials that we need for our project. So like this is the thermal imaging sensor for temperature detection. These two are ultrasonic sensors that we use to detect obstacles, and these two are also ultrasonic sensor with wider angle degree for obstacle and staircase detection. This is the Arduino board that we're going to use and program, and this is the buzzer to play the sound, and this is the hat that we're going to attach this thermal imaging sensor on, and this is the vest that we will soon try to tailor all these ultrasonic sensors on. Okay, in this video, we will teach you how to assemble the circuit for obstacle detection. So like these two sensors, you could see like you just glue them on the vest first. So, and then here's the circuit board that we will have to actually connect all the lines into the Arduino board. So we will show you step by step here how to connect them. Take this red wire to the positive side, and then connect this to the 5-volt on the Arduino board. And then take a black wire to connect it to the negative side and to the ground on the Arduino board. So right now we're going to do the first buzzer, which is this. Connect the buzzer. Make sure you look at the positive side, and the other side is negative. So connect the positive side into H1 and then the negative side into H3. After you connect this, get another wire. Connect this J3 and connect this to the negative on the side. Okay. Okay, another red, yellow wire. Plug this into J1 and connect this to the digital 6 Arduino board. So after this, we're done with the buzzer. Next, we're going to connect the ultrasonic sensor, the first one. So you get 4 wires. First, you get the plug this into like E8 and connect this one to the ground, which is the negative, and then get another wire and then plug this into E9 and then connect this to the Arduino pin 11, which is over here. And then you get another wire, plug this into E10 and then connect this to pin 11. So for the last wire, you connect this to E11 and then connect this to the positive. After that, connect this to the same row as the ones that you just connected. So in my case, I use the same color, so it's easier for me to just plug this in. So after you did this, you have to connect this side of the ultrasonic sensor. The red side is the ground, and the green side is for the voltage, in my case. Attach another ultrasonic sensor. So it's basically the same procedure. First, we get a wire to plug into a free space. So I'll do E15. And then I'll connect this one to the ground. And then now I'll get another wire. I'll plug this into E16. And this one I have to connect to the pin 9 on Arduino. So next wire I use is I'll plug this into E17, and then you need to connect this to pin 10 on Arduino. So the fourth wire is the voltage wire, so you have to connect this to positive. So I'll plug this into E18, and then I'll connect this to the positive. So after you did this, you need get the long wire for the ultrasonic. Just plug it in. Since I used like the same color code, it's easier for me to plug this based on the color. So the black one goes first, the white one goes second, the green one, and then the red one. So after you attach this, you have to connect the other side. So you just connect this temperature sensor. So make sure you have the flat surface facing you. So just plug into any 3 inputs. So in this case, I'm gonna use A21 through A23. So after you put this in, you need to get 3 wires. So the first wire I'm going to use is, this is going to be the ground pin, which is the pin on the right. So I will have to connect this one into ground. And then the middle pin is the analog input pin. So you have to connect this pin into the A3 analog in Arduino. So the last one is the left one, which is the positive, the voltage pin. So you need to connect this to positive. So we're going to connect the C-Studio ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor is different from the one before. This one only has 3 pins. So the first pin is the signal pin, the second pin is the voltage pin, and the third pin is the ground pin. So just take 3 wires and then connect to this. And then connect the other side to a circuit board. So in my case, it's purple wire, blue wire, and then green. So I'll just plug it in on the right side of my circuit board since there's a lot of spaces. So after this, you need to get 3 wires to connect the pin to Arduino. So like first, you connect this one, the most right one, onto the ground on the circuit board, which is the negative. And then you connect the middle one, which is the voltage. You have to connect this to the positive side. So which is, it's a little bit messy, sorry. So now you have to connect the most left one, which is the signal, into digital pin 8. The last C-Studio ultrasonic sensor. So this procedure is basically the same as the first one, but this is upside down, so you have to be careful. So you get 3 wires. Right now the left one is the ground, the middle one is the voltage, and then the right one is the signal. So you just get 3 wires and plug it in. So, and then connect the other side into the circuit board. So I'm gonna use the left side of the circuit board this time. So just plug into 3. And then you also need another 3 wires to connect the ground, voltage, and the signal. So first, I'll connect the voltage, which is the middle one. I'll connect this to positive. And then you need to connect the ground, which is the most right one. Connect this to negative. And then get a longer wire, connect the most left one onto digital pin 7 on Arduino. So basically that's it. It was easy, right? Watching the video. Hope the project works for you.